Want to start your website and save a lot of money on hosting? Right now, Hostinger is running a special promotion where you can get up to 85% off on their top hosting plans. And that's not all. You can also get an extra 20% discount on billing, plus 3 months of hosting completely free. This is one of the best deals available if you want to start a blog, business website, portfolio, or even an online store. Hostinger is trusted by millions of users worldwide because it offers fast loading speeds, easy website setup, and reliable performance. With this deal, you get powerful hosting at a very affordable price. And the best part is that Hostinger also offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you try the service and don't like it, you can simply request a refund within 30 days. That means there is no risk at all. Now, let me show you how to claim this offer. Just click the first link in the description, go to the Hostinger website, select your hosting plan, and the discount will be applied automatically during checkout. In just a few minutes, you can have your website live on the internet. But keep in mind, these limited time discounts don't stay forever, so it's best to grab the deal before it expires. Click the link in the description now and start your website today with 85% off, 20% extra discount, and 3 months free hosting. And remember, you're fully protected with the 30-day money-back guarantee. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.